Hello, it's Giselle from Kids Yoga Stories, and I'm super excited to share today with you our brand new summer yoga in 10 minutes a day. And this has been put together so that you have fun and easy ways to add yoga and mindfulness to your summer days. And what we did is we asked our community of 75,000 parents and teacher and health practitioners around the world what they would like most this summer. And a majority of people said they really wanted structured 10-minute, quick, easy ideas. And so here it is, summer yoga in 10 minutes a day. Now, the cool thing here is that it comes in one file. So literally when you purchase this, it downloads into one file and you just print. I printed in color. You could certainly do it in black and white, but there's 60 plus pages of yoga fun here. Super easy to download, super easy to print, and off you go. So let me show you what's inside. We've got tips here, okay? We've got an overview of what you're going to find in here. Mindful Mondays, Storytime Tuesdays, Wind Down Wednesdays, Theme Thursdays, and Fun Fridays. You've got some little tips here, a couple pages there, and then also just a really clear where to start. How do you begin? What do you do to get started here, okay? If you miss a day, this is really important. If you miss a day, don't worry. Just pick up where you left off. Okay, this is super flexible. Even though it's structured, you can make it how you want to make it. Now, there's 8 weeks of structured activities. 8 weeks. So week 1 to 4 on one page, and you've got 5 to 8 on the other. And again, you've got a theme for each of those. Mindful Mondays, Storytime Tuesdays, Wind Down Wednesdays, Theme Thursdays, and Fun Fridays. So you can print that out. You've got an overview of all those 8 weeks. 8 weeks of structured activities. You've also got these weekly schedules from Monday to Friday. So you can print out that first page each week. This is week 1. You've got one for each of the weeks. And then you've got a breakdown on one page what all the activities are and a little blurb about each of them. Okay, so you know what's coming up. Then you have all your printables. These are all your daily. You'll see week 1, Mindful Monday. We're going to take a pause breath. It tells you exactly what to do, how to do it. These are each daily. So for the first week, you've got the pause breath. For Storytime Tuesday, you've got Rachel's Day in the Garden and a link to see the read along on YouTube. You've got week 1 again, Wind Down Wednesday. You've got a coloring page. And these all can be extended, by the way. You know, these are just the springboards to spark your imagination. But if it leads the children to other things, that doing that coloring page, they might want to bring out their own coloring pages, or they might want to try different mediums, whatever that might be. The next one, Theme Thursday, we're going to try some hip opening yoga. So you can give them that poster. You can do it with them. You can hold them each for 30 seconds, 10 seconds. You can have them play around with that, whatever works for you. This is just to get their ideas started. And then you'll see again week 1 on Fun Friday. This is a Garden Gnome partner yoga. So you can practice that either with an adult, a child, or 2 children, whatever works for you. So these are all printable resources or story time videos, all in this entire pack. Okay, it's all here for you, all ready to go. So there is your summer yoga in 10 minutes a day for you to easily add yoga to your summer. I hope that helps to show you what exactly is inside the summer yoga in 10 minutes. And we really do hope you take advantage of this special offer. This is a really exciting way to easily add yoga and mindfulness to your summer days. Thank you so much.